Relentless Mutation is the third studio album by Canadian technical death metal band Archspire, released on September 22, 2017 through Season of Mist. It is the first album to feature bassist Jaron Smith, who replaced bassist and vocalist Jaron Evil, who departed in 2014. The album is a concept album revolving around a telepathic cult called A.U.M. and their experiments on human biology. In February 2018, Relentless Mutation was nominated for the 2018 Juno Awards Metal Hard Music Album of the Year. A lyric video for the album's premiere single, Involuntary Doppelganger, was released on July 5, 2017. In addition to Involuntary Doppelganger, the band released 3 additional singles to promote the album: Remote Tumor Seeker on July 28, Human Murmuration on August 22, and Calamus Will Animate on September 18. An instrumental lyric video was released via Season of Mist's YouTube channel to promote the 4th single Calamus Will Animate. The album was made available for streaming in its entirety via Season of Mist's YouTube channel on September 21, 2017. The album was praised by critics. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.